Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure Windows or Mac OS has recent updates and then reboot. This clears locked files that block installers. Next, sign into the Microsoft account tied to your Office license so activation can proceed automatically. Once done, pause any third-party antivirus or firewall. These often block installer services. Run the Office installer as administrator. Right-click Run as Administrator to grant the setup full access to system folders. This prevents common permission failures. You now address the complex middle steps. Run the built-in Office repair, choose Quick First, then Online Repair if problems persist, because quick fixes corrupted files and online reinstalls core components. If that fails, run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. It analyzes logs and applies targeted fixes automatically. Make sure you have adequate disk space, uninstall any legacy Office versions, and clean %temp% or Mac OS temp folders to eliminate conflicting installers. These actions resolve most mid-installation hangups. You finish by rebooting and launching an Office app. Allow it to complete activation and apply first-time updates so background services register correctly. Make sure the OS has any remaining updates and install Office patches via Updates account update options. If installation still fails, gather installer logs, setup diag or Office logs, and run the Microsoft Support Clean Uninstall tool to remove all traces, then reinstall. One key tip: logs reveal blocked services or signatures. Share them with support to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.